Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve network problem on Samsung mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then from here you can scroll down. Just keep scrolling like this, and on the down here you are going to find the general management. So click on it. So after you have been click on it, you are going to find this feature. Again you have to scroll down, and here you are going to find the reset. Okay, click on reset. So here you are going to find the reset network settings. So click on it. Here you have to click on reset setting, then click on reset. When you click on this reset, the problem of Wi-Fi problem, mobile data problem and Bluetooth problem and the network will be solved on your mobile phone. Okay, you can solve it like this. If it doesn't solve, then you can comment me. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.